Welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how I changed the air filter in my 2013 Nissan Altima. This is going to be pretty straightforward, so let's jump right in. So this is your air box and it's fastened with 5 latches. To release the latches, all you do is pull it away from the air box. Watch how I do it with the one in the front. Just pull it towards you. Perfect. Now do the same thing with the other 4. There are 2 on the right side, so you will push them to the right. And then the last 2 are on the left side, so just push them to the left. Now the air box is unlatched, which means you can pull up on the top half like this to remove the old filter. When removing the old filter, make note of the orientation and make sure the new filter is installed in the same way with the ear up and to the right. Alright, with that out of the way, let's grab our new filter. I went with this EP Auto air filter and the part number is GP450. You can go with any filter, to be honest. I just like these. Okay, so remember the orientation needs to match the old filter. Then you can lift up on the top half of the box and slide the new filter into place. Make sure the new filter is completely flush with the bottom half of the box, or else the top half won't latch properly. Once it's flush, go ahead and start fastening the latches. You will be able to feel them kind of snap into place, letting you know they are properly latched. Once that's done, you should start your vehicle and make sure you don't have a check engine light. If you do, you will need to unlatch the airbox again and move the filter so it becomes flush with the bottom half of the box.